2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.